Okay, so I made the purple carrot black bean quesadilla with the sauce. And what do you give it, T?
6.5, 7.
I will take it. A 6.5, a 7 out of 10 from Tiana is amazing. I am still under the weather from my illness, but I had to come on and show you that I made the, I don't know how to pronounce this word, Seitan Asada tacos from Purple Carrot. It was in this week's menu. Only took half an hour to make. And it's rice, the seitan, I gotta look up how to pronounce that, radish, cilantro, scallion, lime, all sorts of mixed up in there. And let me taste test. Now, it was simple to make. I haven't tasted it yet. Okay. I have the radish in there. Everything is in there in my first bite.
Five minutes later.
It's good.
Much later. Much later.
The tortillas are a little bit thick. I'm trying to see if they're gluten-free or not. Oh, they're 6 corn tortillas. That Seitan or Seitan or whatever it's called, it's really good. I took a big bite. Wow! Wow! This is the third recipe I've made from them, and so far it's been good. So far, the vegan recipes from Purple Carrot have been a plus.